Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If your dreams are so important, why does your mind keep pulling you back to the same old habits? Why do you know what to do, wake up early, focus, take risks, but still choose comfort over change? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack motivation. It's because your brain was never designed to protect your future. It was designed to protect your comfort. Your brain loves what's familiar. Same routine, same excuses, same safe choices. And every time you try to grow, it whispers, later, tomorrow, stay where it's easy. Today, we're going to expose that voice. And once you understand how your brain works, you'll stop fighting yourself and start outgrowing yourself. Your brain's number one job is survival, not success. Thousands of years ago, comfort meant safety. Change meant danger. So even today, when you try something new, a new habit, a new goal, a new identity, your brain sounds the alarm, not because it's bad for you, but because it's unknown. Growth feels like danger to a brain that only understands comfort. Scrolling for hours feels safe. Staying silent feels safe. Procrastinating feels safe. But comfort is sneaky. It doesn't hurt you loudly. It drains you quietly. One comfortable day doesn't ruin your life, but a comfortable year will. Your future doesn't collapse from failure. It collapses from staying too comfortable for too long. So why does comfort feel so rewarding? Your brain loves quick dopamine. Likes, junk food, entertainment, distractions. Big goals pay later. Comfort pays now. That's why discipline feels hard at first. You're choosing delayed rewards over instant pleasure. But here's the truth. Every time you resist comfort, you rewire your brain to respect you. Small wins today train your brain to trust discomfort tomorrow. And this changes how you grow. The gym feels wrong before it feels empowering. Focus feels wrong before it feels freeing. Saying no feels wrong before it feels strong. Your brain will tell you, this isn't you, but that's a lie. That's the old you fighting to survive. The discomfort you feel isn't a sign to stop. It's proof you're becoming someone new. So how do you move forward despite this? You don't defeat comfort with motivation. You defeat it with tiny, brave actions. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Do the task you're avoiding for 5 minutes. Speak up once when you want to stay quiet. Each small act tells your brain, I'm in charge now. And slowly, comfort stops controlling you. Fear loses its voice, and your future finally gets a chance. Listen carefully. Your brain will always vote for comfort, but you get the final decision. The life you want is not on the comfortable path. It's on the honest one, the uncomfortable one, the brave one. So the next time your brain says, stay where it's easy, you say, I didn't come this far to stay the same. If this message hit you, like the video, subscribe for more growth, share it with someone who's stuck, and comment below, what's one small discomfort you'll choose today? Your future is waiting. Step toward it.